Hi guys, welcome back to Masters of Trading. Today we have a short video on our latest addition to the website, which is the Satoshi Calculator. I'll show you where to go in just a second, but if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. I'm always happy to help. So if you head to our home page, we have our titles here. We can go across to more. We go down to calculators, Satoshi Calculator. And here we go. So Satoshi Calculator and Binance fees. This could actually be any exchange, to be honest with you. You just put the correct percentage fee in. This is an extremely useful calculator to determine how many sats an altcoin has to move to bank X percent. The fees are variable depending upon your Binance membership tier. Just a little bit about the Binance membership tier. Depending upon how much volume you trade, we have a little guide here as to what you can receive with regards to discounts. So if you're VIP 0, which means less than 50 Bitcoin volume in a 30-day period, and your BNB balance isn't looking so healthy, you're just basically on the standard 0.1% maker-taker. If you're trading and using leverage and hitting the dizzy heights of like 1,500 Bitcoin traded in a month, and you hold over 500 Binance coin, you start receiving discounts. So if you are trading the volume, Binance do offer slight discounts for loyal customers. So back over to Masters of Trading. Here we go. So Bitcoin US dollar, use the current Bitcoin value. So this is the Bitcoin value supplied by TradingView, and the data feed is actually a price from Coinbase. So to use the calculator, we can go down to the calculator and we put in our current price of Bitcoin. So 11.94, we'll call it 11.945. And we can do 11, and we'll call it 9. I'll call it 12. She's going there. Altcoin current Satoshi value is the value of whatever you are trying to trade against Bitcoin to increase your Bitcoin count. So if I go over to Brave Browser, for example, we have, what was I looking at? Okay, so we have Link here. And let's have a look at the Satoshi value of Link. So it's good old DeFi on an absolute ripper. Link, we're on 158,220. 158,220. Let's take that back. I could have chosen something easier. 158,220. And we'll go for there. 158,220. So that's our Satoshi value. Now we have our Bitcoin value, we have a Satoshi value. We're going to just call it one coin just for this example. And where Binance fees is what I just showed you with the fee schedule. Depends what tier you are on Binance, but most of you will be the 0.1%, which is the most expensive fees they have at the moment. So you might as well claim that. And then the fee style. So are you just a one-way trader? You're just buying to accumulate. So you're only going to endure one fee, so to say. But for the process of this example, we are going to use in and out trade fee scalping. So that obviously brings it to 2 because there's an in and there's an out of 0.1. So with regards to our price here, which is the current price of Link versus BTC, we know that the fee per link is such, and that is just shy of 4 cents per link in fees. So this is the interesting bit now. You can also, the number of coins. So if you just bought yourself 100 Link, for example, you could go 100. And then it will calculate, and there you go. You have $3.80 in fees paid to Binance. In and out with a scalp, for example. But we'll put this back to 1 again for the for the example that we're doing. And now we come to the cool bit, which is the Satoshi percentage gain target. So when you're going to enter the market, if we went back to the chart and you said, okay, I want to enter here and I expect it to go to around this area, you might have a certain standard you set yourself as like, oh, I want to make a minimum of 3% per trade. If that is the case, you can set this to 3%. And so the Satoshi gain needed to hit the percent target, inclusive of fees, is 5,063 Satoshis. So whatever the current price of Link is, you would need to target another 5,063 to get to 3%. And then this calculation here is current price of Link plus the target inclusive of fees. And then we can just play with this if we want. We say, well, I want to make 5%. And then you know you've got to target 166,447. So to make 5% on your trade, you just need the market to go from its current position to 166,447. And out of interest, we'll go and have a look at that over on Brave, earning my Batty boy, 166,447. So the 166,447 on Link is 166. That's good enough for me. Okay. So to make 5% on Link, you only need a retest of these highs from this current position area. So in a nutshell, we put in our Bitcoin value, we put in our Satoshi value of our altcoin, we insert our Binance fees because of our current tier that we are on Binance, we in and out trade fees, and then this gives us our little results here. Total fee 0.2% because it's an in and out. That calculates it to 31644 sats per coin, which is 4 cents per coin of Link that you will pay in fees. And at the bottom we have our targets. We only need to make 8,227 sats to clear 5% on Link. And then the ultimate target is the current price of Link plus our target range. And we have the target limit to hit 5% gain. And we can do 10%, and we can do 15%, and so on and so forth. Anyway, as I say, that's just a quick video today. Just an update on the Satoshi calculator I've created, and I hope you find it useful. Take care, and thanks for tuning in.